In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail not sending emails. First, we'll start with a quick look at what might be causing this issue. Sometimes Gmail's server might be down, your internet connection might be unstable, or you could be facing issues due to browser extensions. It's important to remember that these are just a few common triggers, and several solutions might be necessary to get your Gmail back on track. To begin, let's start with checking your internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to a stable network and that there aren't any disruptions. You can do this by opening another web page or running a quick speed test to ensure that your internet connection is active and fast enough to handle sending emails. Next, try refreshing your Gmail web page. Sometimes, simply refreshing your browser or navigating to Gmail again can resolve temporary glitches. If you find this isn't working, try signing out of your Gmail account and then signing back in. Log out by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner of your screen, selecting Sign Out, and then logging back in with your credentials. If the issue persists, clear your browser cache and cookies, as corrupted files can sometimes hinder the smooth functioning of web applications. Go to your browser settings, look for the Privacy or History section, and clear all cached files and cookies. Once you've done that, reload Gmail and try sending your emails again. Another simple fix involves trying a different browser. Sometimes the browser can be the root of the issue. Open another browser like Mozilla Firefox or Microsoft Edge and try accessing Gmail from there. Alternatively, you might want to ensure that your current browser is up to date. Updates often contain fixes for bugs and improve compatibility with web services like Gmail. If you have browser extensions enabled, they might also be interfering with Gmail. Try disabling these extensions temporarily to check if they are causing the problem. This can usually be done in your browser settings under Extensions or Add-ons. Consider re-enabling them one by one to identify the culprit, if any. Another aspect to consider is ensuring that your email drafts do not contain large attachments or that you are not exceeding your email storage capacity, as these could prevent your email from sending. Double-check your drafts, try removing attachments, or free up space by clearing out old emails and attachments you no longer need. Lastly, when in doubt, reach out to Gmail support to see if there are any known issues or additional steps specific to your account. With these steps, most issues preventing Gmail from sending emails should be resolved. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps get your emails flowing smoothly again.